Okay, we've got those all marked, and we folded our paper up because we only need to mark one because we're going to trim after we get everything done. Okay, so where we need to mark next is this drop. So from here to there is our next point, and from there to here would be our next 2 points. So we've got to find the halfway for the drop, and then we'll play with it just a little bit. Okay, so we're setting our ruler at this mark here, and we're coming down to the full drop. So that's 4 inches. So that's our 2. But we also need to know how much space we've got between these two. And we are 3 3/4. Between here and here is 3 3/4. This spot and this spot is 3 3/4. And between this spot and this spot, it's 4 inches. And that was 4. So I'm making reference for myself. So 3 3/4. 3.75 divided by 2, 1.87. 1.87. Now we've got here. I like to use additional rulers just to make my eyes stay where they're supposed to. 1.87. 1.87. Okay, since we've got 8 spots on here. 8/8 would be the full thing, so 8/7 is probably right here at that mark. So we've got to go from there down to here. That's centered. That's our center. Okay. So we're going to mark that, set that. That's our center. And from there to here, be at the 2. There's our drop. We're going to do the same thing over here. 1 and 4. That one to the 2. Just using the line to the 2. From the dot here to here. Where's my 2? Right there. There's our drops. To here. Now you don't see it, but this is a little high. So this is where we get to play with it and adjust it to what we want instead of the measurements. And it's actually a little too high. This is going to drop too much like that. So let's bring it down a smidgen. So what have we got here? We've got 1 1/4, 1 3/4. We're going to bring it down to 2. See how we like that. Let's go down to 2 1/4.